Hello! Right, this video is going to be a bit different because I'm doing it on my bike, but rather than in my car. So I bought these Activ lights off Amazon. They were £10. I've chosen blue because blue seemed like the brightest colour, but you can get different colours: green, orange, white, pink, I think, multicoloured, and they fit a 12-inch to 29-inch wheel, so pretty much anything. And they just literally look like this. So there's a little battery compartment that unscrews on one end, and then out pops like this little block thing that's got three AAA batteries in. It's got a little arrow that you're going to line up with the writing on the little cylinder. So you pop that in like that, screw this back on. It's got a little rubber like gasket around the edge here to stop it getting wet when you're blasting through them puddles. And then this is just like a little metal sort of wire thing with like little individual LEDs on it. So I'm gonna put it on my front wheel. So this little thing sits in the middle like that. I don't know if you can see it, like that. And then don't want to drop it. There's two of these little rubber bungee things in the box, and they just go around either side of the little cylinder to hold it in place. It turns out you don't need both those bungee rubber things, you just need the one. That one's obviously a spare. And this is what it looks like. So the little bungee thing sort of wraps underneath the hub. I fed the bungee through this wire to stop it getting caught up when it gets near the battery box, otherwise it will kink the wire probably. So that's also a good thing to try and do, feed it through. But, right, now the fun begins where I've got to try and wrap this all the way around the outside. So let's do this. Right, so I've installed it. I've just gone straight up from the battery box in the most normal looking way. I've just wrapped it around the spoke a few times. Then I've just gone around each individual one, looping it around all the way around. And then this is what it looks like. Flashing and constant. So at night time, when this is spinning, it's going to look pretty cool. So I'll do a little nighttime video of it going past my camera, and then you can see what it looks like on camera. But there's probably other videos out there where you've seen it already, but this is my demonstration of it. Pretty cool, huh? Do a little drive-by. Meow. It is freezing cold, so I'm going to turn this video off, and hope you like it.